Nice one, guys. Just boiling my kettle. As you can see, I'm boiling the kettle. Over here I have some green tea bag and some apple cider vinegar, honey, and also we have some organic coconut oil over there and all these things. We got some ginger and some lime and lemon, but we're not going to be using all of these ingredients. I'm just going to be taking it straight to it to tell you exactly what you need to do at home in this time. All right, we all know that we're still under quarantine and we can't get to go nowhere. You can't get to do certain things. So basically the most important thing what you want to do at home is this, and I'm going to be taking you through it exactly what you need to do. All right, now organic coconut oil 100%, as you can see for yourself right over there. What you want to do, you want to get some coconut oil. Make sure you have apple cider vinegar in your house, organic honey, lemon and ginger, because and also some lovely fresh homemade, some pure green tea. And this one is, let's see, I believe this one is organic. Yeah man, all of them is organic. All right, so basically what you want to do, you want to make sure you have all of these ingredients at your home, because the weather is going to change. All right, and not only that, when the weather change, it's going to be totally different, guys, and 100% you're not going to be able to do what you want to do, especially what's going on. You don't want to catch any cold or any flu, so make sure you've been looking after yourself at home with some natural homemade remedy like I'm going to show you what you can do. Also, can you drink some just lime and hot water with a little bit of honey? You know what I mean? That's good for cold and flu. So prepare the body, getting yourself ready. Make sure you stock up with some ginger and lemon and all these things, because you never know, we may have another lockdown where nobody can go nowhere and get nothing. So make sure you have all of these ingredients, apple cider vinegar and all them things. Make sure you have them at home. All right, now what I want to say to you, with the green tea, basically there's only 2 ingredients you're gonna be needing. That's all. All right, there's 2 powerful ingredients. So as you can see, I have, this is the green tea bag, which I'm going to, here it is. This is a green tea bag. Make sure you have green tea bag at home. Put one inside of your cup, just like that. All right, that's exactly what you want to do. The reason why I have the coconut oil over here, I want you guys to have coconut oil. It's very good if you want to cleanse your body and losing weight and detoxing your body. It's good to use coconut oil to purify your skin and make your beauty bright like red. All right, and make it as beautiful and nice. So that's exactly what you want to do at home when time you're doing weight loss and detoxing and also cleansing of the body. Now, 1 green tea into a cup like this. All right, secondly, I just boil my kettle, and all I'm going to do is pour some water in it like that. Beautiful and nice. All right, so what you just want to leave this for a few minutes for it to let the green tea dissolve into the hot water. All right, as you can see. Now what we're going to do, I got lime cut already, but that's one I'm just going to be using a fresher one. All right, make sure I wash this again. Just make sure you guys have all of these ingredients at home. All right, so basically roughly about a teaspoon of lime juice into this right here, just like that. All right, now what you want to do is cut off a little piece and let's put it straight inside of it like this. All right, that is just healthy and nice. All right guys, but it's very very good. If you want, you can put apple cider vinegar in it. If you want, you can also put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in it like that. want, you can put a little bit of honey inside of it. All right, not much. Let's taste it. All right, now, as I say, the green tea bag and apple cider vinegar, and also the lime or lemon, whatever you like to use, is up to you. All right, guys, 100% all of these ingredients is just organic, natural to use at home. When you're detoxing and when you have a shower at night, please use coconut oil on your skin to purify your skin, because you're drinking this kind of tea. What you want to do, you want to just drink this for at least 7 days or 5 days and see what's happened in between those 5 days. Guys, honestly, you will see some powerful result from this beautiful hot drink. Not only that, also what you can do, you can drink this before you go to your bed at night. That's another best way to do this one. Or early in the morning before breakfast, you can drink this beautiful drink. It is a fantastic drink. It's just amazing, and it works miracle at home. So hopefully you guys will definitely like this one. And not only that, if you have a smartphone, you can do some research. And green tea, you can do some research on it. And you can do some research on coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, lemon and ginger and honey, and see which one is very, very good for you to use at home. Very powerful ingredients, guys, and honestly, as I say, it's just dissolve into the water in the meantime. Powerful ingredients for you to use at home and use it in your kitchen. It is amazing, and 100%, there's millions of people all over the world been using all of these natural ingredients for home remedy because of what's going on. Remember, it is quarantine time now, and you have to learn to be creative at home with different kind of ingredients and also different kind of things at home, guys. All right, as you can see it for yourself, look at that, beautiful, nice, simple, and just very easy to make, nothing too complicated. And you know what I mean, once it dissolves into the water, then you can drink it and see that beauty from it, guys. It's fantastic and amazing, and 100%, you guys definitely will love this beautiful one. So hopefully you love it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most beautiful recipe in this world. 100%. See you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye.